Good morning to all of you. Welcome to online classes of Sardar Patel Inter College Janoli Phase 2. Here is Amit Pandey with you another video number 14 related to number system. In last exercise we have completed exercise 1.5. Now for exercise 1.6 we should remember that the starting of exercise 1.6 the first terms is that loss of exponents for real numbers. Other specification of real numbers, that is laws of exponents. Okay, laws of exponents. Here is some formulas that related to law of exponents. Okay, the first one is if a to power 0 then it will be 1. Second one is a to power minus m, that will be 1 upon a to power m. Third one is a to power m into a to power n goes to a to power m plus n. Fourth one is a to power m upon a to power n goes to a to power m minus n. Fifth one, a to power m to whole power n is equals to a to power m into n. Okay. Now the sixth is a dot b to power m is equals to a to power m dot b to power n. Seventh is square root of m belongs to a, that goes to a to power 1 upon m, and last one is a upon b to whole power negative minus m, that will be b upon a to whole power m. Okay, these are 8 law of exponents that will be used in exercise 1.6. okay, so please starting exercise 1.6 you should note these exponents in your fair copy, then you should solve exercise 1.6. okay, remember that exponents, remember these laws very carefully so that you can solve easily exercise 1.6. Now let's start exercise 1.6. Exercise 1.6. Exercise 1.6, and the question number first is that find. Question number first question is 64 to power 1 by 2. Question number second is that 32 to whole power 1 by 5. Question number third is that 125 to power 1 by 3. Okay, let's see. This is 64. Write 64 to degree 2 because here is 2. So we can write 64 as x to power 2. This can be written as x to power 2 whole power 1 by 2. Law of exponents, that the degrees will be multiplied, then x to power 2 into 1 by 2, 2 cancelled, and the answer is 8. Okay students, you got it. And the second one is 32 to power 1 by 5. Now prime factorization of 32 is 2 to power 5. Prime factorization of 32 is 2 to power 5 to whole power 1 by 5. Applying laws of exponents, that will be 2 into 5 to power 1 by 5, 5 cancel, the answer is 2. Okay students. Now in question number third, the question number third is that 125 to whole power 1 by 3. Now 125 prime factorization of 125, that will be 5 to cube. That will be 5 cube. Applying laws of exponents, that will be 3 into 1 by 3 cancelled, the answer will be 5. Okay. Question number first has been completed. all three questions has been completed. And in question number 2, similarly, there is no changement. Then question number 2, the question number 2 is that there are 4 questions in question number 2. The first one is 9 to power 3 by 2. Second one is 32 to power 2 by 5. Third one is 16 to power 3 by 4. And fourth is 125 to power minus 1 by 3. Okay students, let's see. This is 9 to power 3 by 2 can be written as 3 to power 2 to whole power 3 by 2. Now applying laws of exponents, that will be 3 2 to power 3 by 2, 2 2 cancel, that is 3 to power cube, that will be 27 is the answer. Now here 32 can be written as 2 to power 5 to whole power 2 by 5, that applying laws of exponents, that will be 2 into 5 into 2 upon 5, 5 cancel, that will be 2 to power 2, the answer will be 4. Okay. Now question number 3 is that 16 can be written as 2 to power 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, then that will be 2 to power 4 to whole power 3 upon 4. Applying laws of exponents, that will be 4 into 3 by 4, 4 4 cancel, 2 to cube, that will be 8, answer. Okay. Now the last one is 125 to power minus 1 by 3, that will be 5 to cube minus 1 by 3. Applying laws of exponents, that will be 3 into minus 1 by 3, 3 3 cancel, that is minus 5 to power minus 1 upon 1 upon 5. Laws of exponents are using 2 times here. The first one is multiply product rule of laws of exponents, and this is 5 to power minus negative sign replaced into 1 by 5. This is the law of exponents. Okay. In question number 2, 4 questions are completed. Now in question number 3, easily simplify. Okay. Again using laws of exponents. Now let's see question number 3. Question number 3 is that simplify. First one is 2 to power 2 by 3 into 2 to power 1 by 5. Second one is 1 upon 3 cube to whole power 7. And third one is 11 to power 1 by 2 upon 11 to power 1 by 4. Simple laws of exponents are using here. Here is 2, here is 2. The base are equal. Okay. The base are equal. Then that will be 2 to power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Laws of exponents. If the base are equal and the degrees are different, the product of same base digits, that will be degrees added. Okay. Now take LCM here. LCM is 15, that will be 10, that will be 13, 2 to power 13 upon 15. Okay students, you got it? Okay. Now here question number 2, that is 1 to power 7, that is 1, 3 to power 3 to power 3 into 7, that will be 1 upon 3 to power 21. This is the answer. Okay. Now question number 3, again law of exponents. Divided, base are same, 11 and 11. This will be goes up, and that will be 11 to power 1 by 2 into 11 to power minus 1 by 4. The bases are same, so 11 to power 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 4. If the bases are same, then that will be added, and that will be added, thus this is negative. So please take the LCM is 4, 2 2s are 4, plus minus minus 1. The answer will be 11 to power 1 by 4. Now you can solve question number 4 easily by laws of exponents. Okay, so today I am telling you question number 3. Now video number 15. Let's start with question number 4. If you can do it very easily, question number 4 and question number 5 if you can. Okay, meet you in next video. Thank you.